And you know, one of the things I love doing is giving back to the people. For what? It doesn't always have, you know, people always think you need to give money. But it doesn't always have to be money. It could be anything that you're good at, that you make. And I'm almost certain we'll find a fisherman on the beach today because it's the weekend. So we are going to find a fisherman and offer to catch him some fish. Now I didn't put fish in the sea, but let's just see how it goes. Check out the beach. The beach has a lot of people today. It's nice and flat. Tide real low. Alright, so we have a fisherman inside today. Just after me. But I do have a fisherman. It is pretty low tide and we are at the back of the rocks. Check out this. Woo. This place is normally covered in water, but today I can walk out to the last point. Check out that. Mad. Sick. Head no good. Corner over there, right? What kind of fish are you interested in? Like what are you trying to catch now? Snapper. So you does eat blue chub? Alright. Anything you want? You eating anything? Alright. So here what, right? Are you catch anything since? Right. So I meet up on these two men just trying their hand. Alright, I'm gonna dive in the water about an hour or so, right? I'm gonna be up on the beach side. So if all happen to see me just waving, if I ain't catch nothing, I ain't catch nothing, eh? I'm gonna dive, right? Alright, respect, right? See, underwater, a little small cavish thing. And you know, one of the things I love doing is giving back to the people. For what? It doesn't always have, you know, people always think you need to give money. But it doesn't always have to be money. It could be anything that you're good at, that you make, that you can give back. And so, for me, I'm excited because the joy of putting something on someone's table for them to eat, the food, definitely excites me. Don't mind my rubber is a bit burst. It's right now, the string is tearing, but say what? I'm gearing up and I'm heading to the water to show you what God bless people with. I lost my spear and my gun, stuck below a rock, difficult to get out. My rubber burst, as you can see. What do you think? I get you or I didn't get you? Boy, my rubber bust, as soon as I dive in and load, the first thing my rubber bust, I lost my spear below a rock. Real mad scene, boy. Right now the spear is still below the rock there. I can't get it out real for a crawl, but I still get a little one thing. Right? A little small thing still. Right? If that spear didn't mash up there, well yeah, I would have shot more. As soon as my rubber bust, I tear up there, but still, you don't know, right? I just want to leave a message to you guys. Please do not do this. Do not leave your stuff at the beach side. This beach is normally very clean. Just have packs. We don't have rubbish like this on this beach. So please, people, remember, take up your stuff, leave it clean. So if I leave you with one lesson today, just remember, you don't always have to have money to give back. Give something that you have, or even something that you're good at. See you guys next time. Remember to drop a like and subscribe. Over and out.